think it's cute. So I'm just try and do like Gemini. I don't even know what the Gemini is, but okay. Now I have to pick a makeup look. This thing is like helping me. So I know which one is the one with like the sun out. It was like China beauty. So I'm gonna like look for it till I die. Because I swear this face was here. Like where the hell is it? Oh, here's it. The tree is that I have to pick on his So oh my gosh, so much people's texting, bro. So I'm gonna do like a updo, and then like wait, I'm gonna do this. I think it will work. Right now we have to cut it. And this one. It looks pretty good. Now we need to cut it. Although this color maroon because it's so Become.
Oh, no, 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 no. I loaded the WhatsApp, but when I was typing, putting something, I think,
It needs to be. So when I look weird,
you understand?
so
Sorry about that. Sorry, yeah? I'm done.
I would say, oh, now like color is thing. But we have the choice to do. No. Okay, I say that's about good. Yup, it's good.